Online Reservation and Merchandising System, SG Motoshop, the data normalization. Each normalized data are based on system functions that are up to automate, transforming enhanced ER model into first to third normal form. First is the discussion of the rules for transforming EER model into first to third normal form. First normal form, removing of multi-valued attributes and only atomic values. Second normal form, removing all the partial functional dependencies. And third normal form is the removing of all the transitive dependencies. Moving on to the first normal form, since the rule for first normal form is all fields must be an atomic value or no multi-valued attributes, this is the transformed EER to first normal form. As you can see, each normalized data from the enhanced ER model are based on system functions. System functions are product management, order shipment, service preparation, finance and accounting, and also online payment. Finance and accounting includes inventory and financial records. Additionally, this enhanced ER model and first normal form has no partial functional dependency. Now, we are proceeding to the third normal form. Since there are a non-key field or attribute that are transitive dependent attribute, we created another set of table for each. Examples for transitive dependencies are user type and account status from user table, payment status and payment method from shipment, maintenance type from maintenance, expense type from expenses, and service status from service. Again, transforming this EAR model to data normalization is based on system functions. That's all and thank you.